What's up, amazing people? You welcome back to my channel. My name is Victor, by the way, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys tips which I think you should know before you start your own YouTube channel. But before I start this, I would like to say a big thank you to you guys out there who have been supporting me from day one. I really appreciate you all and everything you do. Thank you very much. So with no further ado, let's cut the intro short and get right into the video. So the first thing you want to do before starting a YouTube channel is to niche down. Not buying an expensive camera or an expensive lighting and equipment. No, you need to find out what niche you want to be dominating and what niche you want to fit in, because this will help you create, know the kind of content you'll be creating and know your target audience, whether it's a food niche or a fashion niche or a health and fitness. Just you got to figure it out yourself. So after discovering your niche and know what type of content you want to be on, what type of niche you want to be dominating, the next thing you want to do is to create a content plan and a content strategy. And this involves your frequency and the amount of time you want to be posting. If it's once per week, one video per week, 2 videos per week, 3 videos per week, or 4, it just depends on you and your amount and the time you want to spend on it. So it also involves your content and what type of content you'll be creating and when you want to be posting and which day you'll be posting and just your schedule as a whole. And this will help you plan ahead of time. So after doing all the niching and strategizing, the next thing you want to do is to research on your content ideas, research on topics that you want to create content about. So since YouTube is a search engine and you want to create content that people are searching for and content that are popular, content that are trending, content that are on board and not content that people are not searching for. So you want to create something that people are excited about and something that people want to see. So one of the best content and one of the best tools to use are vidIQ and TubeBuddies, and these tools are miraculously amazing. So after doing the research, the last thing you need to do is take out your camera and start filming your videos right away. Don't wait to get everything right. Don't wait to get, even if you don't have the camera, you can use your phone if you have an iPhone, or you can use an Android. An Android too will do so, and it will give you perfect and clean results. You don't need to wait for another day before you start filming, and it's okay to have fear in you and to have anxiety at the first time, but as time goes on you start enjoying it and start doing it like it's nothing. So the thing is that there's always a first time for everything. Thank you all for watching, guys. If you like this video and found this video helpful, please smash the like button and also hit the dislike button if you don't like the video. And please, if you're new here, please consider subscribing and also turn on that bell notification for more updates. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.